NBA action on EA Sports. Alongside the former Chicago Bulls guard, Jay Williams, I'm Ed Cohen. Jay, these guys are ready to go.
People at home can't see me right now, but I'm stuck.
Let's do it. With the interception, great defensive play.
Give me stance, he's coming, give me stance.
Harden. And that's the start they were looking for, just as the fans were getting seated.
And I love that aggression. Stylistically, you have to come out and dictate the tempo of the ball game. Don't ease your way into it. Keep your foot on the gas.
Here we go, I got ball, I got ball.
Leonard. They're 2 for 2 to start the game from beyond the arc, and it's a 6-0 lead.
And when I see the ball being zipped around the perimeter like that and everybody's sharing the sugar, it lets me know that this team is engaged and they're focused.
Kyrie with the rock.
I got ball, I got ball, I got ball. I'm here.
Beyond the arc for 3. His first effort off the mark. To Harden. Nice pass to get things going.
Come on, you knew that setup was coming the whole game. But you were patient and you waited until the right moment to use it.
Oh, here we go. I'm right here,
Kevin Durant.
Whoa, get that out of here.
Message sent, Jay. Irving to Harden. Oh, not a good pass there. That's a turnover.
Now push it. Let's attack in transition so we can build this lead.
Hey, match up,
To
match up,
Irving.
match up.
Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Can't go down. Smothering defense to Irving. Lets it fly from long range. He was all over him.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head.
It's not a good look. I'm deep. I got your switch.
Leonard. Kawhi Leonard. 2 for 2. That's what you want.
And a defense's ability to recognize personnel and think thoroughly and precisely in real-time moments, that's everything for your transition D.
Oh, LeBron James, not much more the defense could have done. He hits the contested 3.
Just let me break down to all the young players at home how special of a pass this was. That was a perfect delivery, and it hit the player right in the chest.
On the follow. Way to stay with it. Kevin Durant, dynamic once again.
And giving it to you any way you want it. On the block, from the perimeter, mouse in the house, whatever the scenario is, Kevin Durant has an answer.
Durant across the timeline. Up 6. And they retain the possession. Harden. That's no good. Very curious shot selection right there. Basket's good on the follow. Way to stay with it. Jay, what makes LeBron so special on the offensive end?
Well, first and foremost, look at that frame. 6'9", 265 pounds. With the agilities of a guard, he can blow by you. If he dips that shoulder, there's no way. There is nobody in the NBA that can guard that man one-on-one.
I got this now.
Leonard. Tough shot. Well defended.
Just because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, get to the free throw line, see the ball go in the hole.
LeBron James with the rock. From long range. Can't connect. Into the front court, it's Irving. Down just a couple. That one off the mark. It's no good.
Ball.
Leonard. Tough shot. He hits.
Well, the defense has been good, but the shot-making ability has been better. And sometimes for NBA players at this level, the more you're in their face, the more it helps them center their focus on the target, which is making the shot. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's a real thing.
Anthony Davis matched up with Lillard. Jay, another one goes down. They're right where they want to be.
Exactly. Next play, you have to turn around defensively and get in the stance and actually keep that same kind of tempo.
And the finish at the rim.
And sometimes less is more. Keeping it simple is the best way.
Thompson to bring it into the front court. Exactly a minute to go here in the opening quarter. Jay, another one goes down. They're right where they want to be.
Exactly. Next play, you have to turn around defensively and get in the stance and actually keep that same kind of tempo.
Thompson to bring it into the front court. The lead stands at 9. Is good.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
To Durant. Finishing inside the paint on that one.
You can finally see this team starting to get their rhythm and their groove offensively. This is a good run to get them back in the ballgame.
Lillard off the mark. No good.
Show me something better than that, baby. It's game time.
Great feed. Sets it up. Got it.
This offseason, I heard so many voices. Even that of the great Shaquille O'Neal, talking about how LBJ needed to submit his own legacy. Well, for LeBron, it's not about chasing external accolades. It's about hunting your own legacy, and that's to be the greatest of all time.
And that'll be out of bounds. Last touch by Durant. Lillard. Thompson to bring it into the front court. Shot clock turned off as they get a chance to build their lead. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Leonard, well defended.
Shooters shoot, period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You keep doing what you're doing with that superior confidence.
So we are through one in what has been an entertaining start, to say the least. Jay and I. Ed Cohen, Jay Williams with you as we get things started here in the second quarter. Davis. And the rebound comes down to Thompson. To Davis. 4-3. Cleans it up. And a putback slam.
Woo, that's nasty right there.
Irving brings the ball up court.
I got him. Here we go.
Fires the 3. So the first points for him in this first half, and he knocks it down for 3.
Yeah, they really need him to get going. Really surprised that none of his teammates have been talking to him. This is when he needs him the most. They have to uplift him, help him continue to be confident on the court.
Irving. Unconventional to say the least. It's no good. To Thompson. Fires the 3. He continues to shoot it well from beyond the arc. That's 4 threes now in this first half.
Yeah, and confidence comes from discipline and training. You can tell that kid's been putting in the time in the gym.
Anthony Davis sends it away. Oh, good work to step in front. The pass taken away. Irving in the front court. Minute gone by in the second quarter. defended. That's out of bounds. Last touch by LeBron. Time to adjust. Both coaches making changes on the floor.
Run, go. Look the floor. Run the floor.
The pass taken away.
Come on, let's dig in. Let's really build this lead.
Come on, show me something.
Crazy shot that time. No good. LeBron into the front court. His team down 9. To
All right, here we
Davis.
go. Let's rock. Here we go. Here we go.
Leonard.
Shot.
Called in by James. To Harden. Short jumper off the mark.
You see, Ed, this is where coaches get fired. It's great to have good offensive sets, but if you can't execute, then the play was a failure.
And Kawhi Leonard buries the 3 with a hand in his face.
Everything looks great when you shoot the ball like this. And yes, Ed, this team does have some issues, but they are all masked and camouflaged with this shooting display we're watching.
Davis.
Box out.
Not sure what that was all about. It's no good. This will be out of bounds off of Davis. The opposing coach is going to counter, make some changes of his own.
Run, go. Look the floor. Run the floor.
To Harden.
I got him.
For 3, and James Harden. Not sure why he was so wide open there.
Ooh, that confidence level is so superior. Whenever you start jogging back on defense before the ball even goes through the net, that speaks for itself.
To Davis.
Go. I got it. Take mine. Go to mine. I got it.
And Harden takes in the rebound. To Lillard.
Let's get out of here. Come on.
Open look, and he buries it. Defense has to wake up.
I mean, this is something everybody can relate to in their lives. It's happened to me while doing broadcasts as well. Sometimes you're physically there, but mentally you're nowhere to be found. We obviously saw one of those same things happen on the court.
Looks like some substitutions are coming on in. And takes it away. Knocked loose. Getting dirty. Loose ball on the deck.
Nothing easy.
Thompson to James. Harden.
One live.
That's off the side of the rim. No good. Lillard.
Shot.
No good. Leonard. Harden.
Shots up.
Not easy. The challenge defending a guy who can be a 1 or a 2.
We're not old men talking about this game. We don't define players by positions anymore. Is he a 1 or is he a 2? No, he's James Harden. He is a scorer and an elite passer.
This way, baby.
Harden, guarded by Klay Thompson. Has a look. Shot by Thompson, no good. Lillard. LeBron with it. Slams it home on the putback.
I mean, really, is it really difficult to box out these days?
Watch out.
To Leonard. Here's a chance from long range. Kawhi Leonard in his own world. Nobody near him. He sinks it for 3.
It's all about creating space with the dribble. Once you have that gap, you can beat somebody in a variety of ways. He chose a dagger with the 3.
Both coaches hitting the reset button. Fresh legs coming onto the floor.
I got him.
Durant, defended by Kevin Durant. He engulfed him that time. To James, going along, beyond the arc. KD follows up with the putback slam. Jay, you know the deal. Keep the touches coming inside.
As long as that defense continues to give you high percentage shots, you better take that every time.
With the interception. Leonard. Nice follow-up on the dunk there.
Ed, it's pretty amazing how athletic bigs can be when it comes to getting an easy 2 points, huh?
That'll get out of bounds off of Irving. LBJ. Beyond the arc for 3. Great defense, forcing the miss. To Durant. Here's Leonard for 2. Deep 2 there, won't go. Knocked loose, and his foot was on the line. It's going the other way. It's James. Still hasn't hit from deep in the first half. No good. Kawhi Leonard, now 4 for 9.
Everybody in the building, including myself, thought that pass was going somewhere else. Fool me once, okay, but you're definitely not fooling me twice.
Stay in front of. Watch the shot.
James,
Watch the shot.
he is yet to hit one tonight. No good. Irving. Missed it. That'll get out of bounds off of Irving.
Get it back. Get it back.
Leonard. He's not shy about shooting it from out there, but he misses this time. We are at halftime. What's been a hard-fought battle so far. Let's get you to our NBA Live studios in Orlando and hand it over to Jalen Rose for our EA Sports Halftime Report. Jalen.
The West All-Stars.
Tight game through the first 2 quarters as we resume play here in the third. James cleans it up. Offensive board. James Harden. Quiet night, but 2 for 3 in the contest right now.
In the paint, you need to finish just like that.
James, wild shot there, predictably misses. Oh, 5-second violation.
Come on.
James, shot off the mark. Good defense.
And big-time coaching strategy by the staff right there, utilizing their bench, keeping fresh legs on that shooter consistently throughout the course of the game.
Tough-looking shot there. Still gets it to go down.
It just seems like one of 3 things happen every time James Harden has the ball. Either he scores, he gets fouled, or he kicks it out to someone for a 3. Pick your poison.
Oh, get back, get back, get back.
To Harden.
I got ball.
And breaks it up. And good work defensively as the pass is taken away.
You go back to the principles, things that we started working on when we were in 1st and 2nd grade. It's called the shell drill. You stay down in the stance defensively, you try to deny the next pass away, and you have to communicate. If your conditioning is bad, you have no chance. But if you're able to do all these things together, collectively, you will be able to stop a great passing team.
Harden knocked loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way. That's off of Leonard, out of bounds. James. Oh, errant pass as it's taken away.
Everybody get back, get the shooters, watch the shooters, watch the shooters, get back, get back.
That's good D. Shot no good. To James. Just off the mark. James Harden. He's now 4 for 6.
Sometimes when the players find that flow, nobody else needs to touch the ball. He's in a zone by himself.
KD with the rock. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. That's a dangerous spot. Kevin Durant wide open. He nails it.
He's a modern-day big that plays like a 6'2 guard. Scary.
Harden with the basketball. 2-point advantage. Rebound LeBron.
I got yours. Go take mine. Go take mine. I got yours. I got yours.
James with the board. Durant. He still can't find his range from deep. It's no good. Durant with the basketball up top. He'll run the offense. Lets it fly from long range. They have to keep him in their grasp.
You can forget about it when he uses that 7'5 wingspan to attack the bucket.
Here we go. I got him. I got him.
In possession. His guys now down by a point. To Durant. Oh, he was wide open. And it's not going to be pretty when they watch the video. Someone's getting chewed out.
Lock up. Here you come.
Leonard. from long distance. That's now 5 threes for the game.
Nothing more painful than the next day watching tape, seeing the fact that he got 15 points off three-point shots.
Both teams tweaking their lineups. Here comes some changes. Great pass to set it up. Irving, he missed his first 4 from downtown. He finally gets a 3 to go.
I'm going to tell you what every shooter thinks after he misses 4 in a row. One has to go in eventually.
Hands up.
From long range, textbook defense.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head.
To Davis. Anthony Davis. He struggled just a little bit. 2 for 5. AD, is he a new age big?
Easy answer is yes. He is Mr. Versatility. He can do everything on both the offensive and the defensive end. He can fight the post, battle for position. He can protect the rim. Plus, if you switch, he can guard guards on the perimeter. That's what you love about AD. You need something, he has an answer for it.
LBJ has it. 4-3. He was 0 for 6 to start. Let's see if that 3 turns things around.
Well, there's this old saying, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. This is why you've been practicing in the offseason so hard. You never let one miss deter you from taking the next.
Harden buries it on the catch and shoot.
Ed, let me tell you how this one goes. It ain't no fun if the homies can't have some. Everyone's getting a piece of the rock tonight.
Kyrie, jumper's good. Simply put, when the ball's in Kyrie Irving's hands, magic could happen.
It's poetry in motion. And it's a situation in which the ball is attached to his body. He has it on a yo-yo. He can put the ball and dangle the ball out there for other people to think they have a chance. And in their mind, they do. But in Kyrie's mind, the game's over.
Irving. It's no good. Shot's not going down. To Davis.
Take mine. I got yours. I need help.
Harden. That no good. Off the mark. Kevin Durant has it. That's a turnover. It goes the other way.
Man, come on, man.
New blood coming in for both sides. Knocked loose. Durant. Can't connect. It's no good. And that'll be out of bounds. Last touch by Durant.
I gotta go. Go.
He's got it. Damian Lillard not shaken for the early struggles. Maybe this is a sign of things to come. Team Curry going to have the ball first as we start the fourth. They trail to this point, but you'd have to say this one's up for grabs.
And the new style we play with in this league, all it takes is 3 quick threes, and you're right back in the ballgame.
That out of his range and no good. To Davis. From the outside, no good. To Thompson. Fires the 3. Rare miss the way he's been shooting. Shot's no good. Knocked loose. That'll be out of bounds. Simmons the last to touch. No turnover as possession stays where it was. Irving. Oh, that's how it's done.
For average shooters, that's not a great shot. But for a great shooter, that's a good look.
Thompson. Oh, good offense beating good defense.
And I don't know why the defense continues to help on guys that drive. Make them take shots over your bigs. By you helping more, you're just leaving three-point shooters open on the perimeter.
Simmons with it. His guys trail now by 4. Fires the 3. Not a good shot there as he misses it. LeBron James with the block. Davis.
And that's light work for a guy.
And a putback slam.
I harp on the fundamentals like boxing out at the youth level all the time. Gotta be aware of where the offensive player is.
Irving. And he can't get it to go down. It's no good. Yes, Klay Thompson. The defense is really going to have to start paying attention. He's 5 for 5 for the field.
I remember my high school coach said one man can't beat 5. Well, I'm telling you right now, he lied. I'm watching it happen in person.
Simmons. No good. And he's fouled. Davis going to the line for 2.
I'm watching the coach's reaction right now, and I'll tell you, he's not going to be happy about that. The game comes down to the micro details. That wasn't a part of the plan right there.
Anthony Davis. He's got 2 shots coming. For his career, 79% at the line. And hits the first free throw. No good on the second. It's a 1 of 2 trip. To James.
Get back.
He gets it.
This type of game needs to be celebrated. This is the type of culture that is fostered when you play with unselfish players. When you give up a little bit of yourself and you make your teammate look great, that's the difference between winning and losing. So when you see these guys smiling, when you see them giving each other high fives, that's because of the energy that was created from the pass. Pass is one of the most brilliant things we have in this game.
Nice touch around the basket with the tip.
He was so wide open. Pretty much looked like a deer staring into the headlights. Last resort, but still, points on the board.
Here's Irving into the front court. His guy's down 3. To Davis. James. Klay Thompson rejects it.
Just incredible timing on that swat.
It's James. Just enough of a head fake to help on that one.
This is not the time to have a mental lapse.
I got him. Here we go.
James knocks it down. Defender has to get there next time.
That's what great shooters do. They can miss all the shots in the world. They're going to take that next one like they just made all the shots in the world.
Klay Thompson snatching it out of the air.
Don't stare him down like that afterwards.
It's LeBron. It's good. If you don't stand in his way, he's going to make you pay.
I mean, this is something everybody can relate to in their lives. It's happened to me while doing broadcasts as well. Sometimes you're physically there, but mentally you're nowhere to be found. We obviously saw one of those same things happen on the court.
That's what the King does. James, the quick catch and shoot there for 3.
They absolutely needed that. Great job by the offense to be poised and create a shot to pull ahead.
That's off the side of the rim, short.
Shooters shoot, period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You keep doing what you're doing with that superior confidence.
It's good. Anthony Davis knocks down the 3.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
We have both squads set to make some moves right now. James Harden trying to cash in. James Harden with that shot, he's 5 for 8.
This type of game needs to be celebrated. This is the type of culture that is fostered when you play with unselfish players. When you give up a little bit of yourself and you make your teammate look great, that's the difference between winning and losing. So when you see these guys smiling, when you see them giving each other high fives, that's because of the energy that was created from the pass. Pass is one of the most brilliant things we have in this game.
Trouble getting the ball across half court. Time to shuffle things up. Up 5 seconds. Now a steal on a very lazy pass there.
Tonight, it may not cost you, but in the playoff game, it will.
Harden. And he buries it.
And here's the setup, Ed, down the stretch. From a player who's been in these type of positions, eventually I'm going to hit you with a head fake, and you're going to have to jump considering I just made the last couple of threes. And that's when I find an easy way to get to the rim or force the defense to collapse to kick out for, guess what, another one.
Unbothered by the defense as he drills it.
Here's a tip for your defense. You can't give him that much space. You have to push up into his personal space and make him play the majority of the possessions with his back to the basket. Because if you allow him to open up, there's no stopping.
Durant. Now that's a contest.
Just because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, get to the free throw line, see the ball go in the hole.
Knocked loose. He's on the deck. Great sacrifice. Ball's tied up. We'll get a jump ball. The official's ready. Let's see who can take the jump. And that's going to get out of bounds. Off of Harden.
We get it back. We get the next one. We get the next one.
It's a turnover as they head the other way. With the interception, great defensive play. Harden, not that time. He missed it. Leonard knocks it down from mid-range.
I got ball. Got
Deep three at the buzzer.
On behalf of Ed Cohen and Jay Williams, this is Jalen Rose signing off.
It's NBA action on EA Sports. Alongside the former Chicago Bulls guard, Jay Williams. I'm Ed Cohen. Jay, these guys are ready to go.
And people at home can't see me right now, but I'm stretching my arms, I'm stretching my legs. This is going to be one fast-paced game. Let's get to it.
This booth is all stretched out. The players gearing up. Let's get ready for the opening tip. Harden, his first effort off the mark. Leonard, terrific vision. Harden buries it on the catch and shoot. The challenge defending a guy who can be a 1 or a 2.
We're not old men talking about this game. We don't define players by positions anymore. Is he a
Got him.
Is
I
he
got
a
him.
two?
Here we go.
No, he's James Harden. He is a scorer and an elite passer.
Irving brings the ball up court to Durant.
Whoa!
Whoa, what a finish.
I see the easy dunk, but what I don't see is energy. Scream, do something. Get yourself emotionally involved in the game.
Irving buries it.
For average shooters, that's not a great
Welcome to downtown Miami, Florida. I'm Ed Cohen with Jay Williams. I know you're relaxed. It's now time to work.
305, my city, my city. This is one of my favorite stops on the road, Ed, and I'm sure the same applies to the visiting players.
No more time on the beach. It's time to hoop it up here in South Florida. And that's the start they wanted here on the road.
Execution is everything. I love the sharpness and precision they came out with in that first possession.
LeBron with it up top. Leads 3. Fires the 3. They're 2 for 2 to start the game from beyond the arc, and it's a 6-0 lead.
And when I see the ball being zipped around the perimeter like that and everybody sharing the sugar, it lets me know that this team is engaged and they're focused.
To Harden. Irving. Heat get control. Over and back. Jay, sometimes it's not just the Heat that does opponents in Miami.
I've been a victim to this multiple times when we have played the Heat, and I think other franchises from cold cities have been the same. There's a reason why the Miami Heat have such an advantage down here on South Beach. You catch them on an off night, it's rare that opposing teams are ready to play.
Eric Spoelstra now going to use a timeout. His guys have come out flat. Slow start in this first quarter. In possession. A minute gone by here in the opening quarter.
Double, got him, trap, got him.
Durant. Miami secures the rebound.
We out, let's go.
Goes reverse to lay it in.
I'm a little bit confused. Was that a well-designed offense or just poor defense? Maybe a little bit of both.
To James. Going to launch beyond the arc. He made his first effort, but not that time. Nice touch around the basket with the tip.
You can forget about it when he uses that 7'5" wingspan to attack the bucket.
Butler, short jumper, stays out.
Better than that, baby. It's game time. Shots up.
Shot right there. Shot's no good. To Butler. Beyond the arc for 3. His first effort off the mark.
Hey, check up. Let's go.
Leonard. He made his first effort, but not that time. That's off of Leonard, out of bounds.
Look long.
Goran Dragic missed his first. That one goes.
There's nothing the defense could really have done there. That's just a great shot.
LeBron James with the rock. From long range. Shot off the mark. Good defense. To Butler.
Shot.
It's good.
Another possession they were forced to take a tough shot. This time they got it to go, but they need to do something different to start creating more open look opportunities.
Knock loose. Dragic. Jimmy Butler for 2. Gets it to go. Someone clearly missed their rotation. We talk so much about who are the MVP candidates, but there are other guys who are so valuable to their teams, and Jimmy Butler at the forefront of that list.
I have a phrase that I use when I describe players like Jimmy Butler. It's called most valuable mentality. There are certain players that approach the game with a certain mindset every single day that they will do anything possible to win the ball game. He plays with his heart and soul every single possession and every night, and he will leave it on the court if that means he can win the ball game.
Dragic with the interception. Great defensive play. He come up with it.
Come on, baby. You can't turn that ball over like that.
Dragic. Unconventional to say the least. It's no good.
Get back.
Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Crazy shot that time. No good. Harden. Not sure what that was all about. It's no good. And that's going to get out of bounds off of Harden. Here we go. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. To Durant. James. And look out. Anthony Davis with the slam.
Brow down, Ed, when you come into my town.
Wow, you rhyming right there?
Obviously.
Has a look. Wide open look won't go.
Woo, I'm telling you right now, he will not get a better look than that right there the rest of the night.
In possession. Exactly a minute to go here in the opening quarter. KD follows up with the putback slam.
He's a modern-day big that plays like a 6'2 guard. Scary.
Get back.
To Waiters.
Shot, box out.
Can't connect from in close. Knocked loose. He'd get control. Calls out of bounds. Last touch by Udonis Haslem. Time to adjust. Both coaches making changes on the floor. Lillard can't connect. Defense did its job that time. And good work defensively as the pass is taken away. The follow won't go either. Trying to cash in. It's no good. If he takes those shots, he'll be back on the bench in no time.
And that's how you make a difference. Every shot the offense takes, make sure that it has a 10 as far as degree of difficulty.
Ben Simmons at the line for a chance at a three-point play. 56% for his career. Missed it at the line. To Waiters. Here's a chance from long range. That's not his range. It's no good.
Get in the spot.
Lillard.
Hurry up.
Misfires. It's no good. Knocked loose. He'd come up with it. Straight on three. At the three at the buzzer is good. And a fitting close to this one. They're right back in it after what? First quarter complete, on to the second period. A little bit of a feeling out process so far.
Both teams are trying to feel each other out, but I like the aggression that both teams established in the first quarter. This is the first quarter league. The way you play in the opening minutes really sets the tone for the rest of the game.
He'd get control. Passed it off. Short jumper won't go down. This will be out of bounds off of Davis. Dragic with it. Now down 6. Gets it in the right corner. Add 2 points to the board.
Everybody in the building, including myself, thought that pass was going somewhere else. Fool me once? Okay. But you're definitely not fooling me twice.
To Davis. He'd come up with it.
All right, baby, get it back. We get the next one. Get the next one.
To Dragic. Kawhi Leonard with a piece.
Oh, he blocked that with authority.
Davis. It's good. Who compares to AD offensively?
We would be doing a disservice if we compared AD just to one player. He's an amalgamation. Think about Tim Duncan, Kevin Garnett, Marcus Camby. Throw them all into a blender, you get Anthony Davis.
Simmons, not a good shot there as he misses it. For 3, that is no good. Very curious shot selection right there. Leonard. Kawhi Leonard. He is shooting well. He's made 2/3 of his shots.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
Shot by Jones, no good.
And you hate to say this, but this is the reality of the matter. Sometimes it takes guys a little while to warm up into the game. Seems like they finally found their rhythm in the second quarter.
Thompson. Off the mark. And a putback slam.
Woo, that's nasty right there.
Now the Heat going to use a timeout as they'll take a moment to go over things here in the second quarter. Changes coming from both sides right now. To Butler. with the interception.
That's called game plan execution to perfection. Every possession on the road is critical.
Simmons, that out of his range and no good. 4-3. Wild shot there. Predictably misses. Out of bounds, last touch by the Heat.
Who gonna do this?
Heat get control.
Hey, man, we ain't gonna win like that, man.
Great feed. Sets it up. Has a chance. Deep two there. Won't go.
This game is all about the small victories, though. The execution on that play was on point. You keep executing like that, those shots are going in eventually.
And drains it. AD, is he a new age big?
Easy answer is yes. He is Mr. Versatility. He can do everything on both the offensive and the defensive end. He can fight the post, battle for position. He can protect the rim. Plus, if you switch, he can guard guards on the perimeter. That's what you love about AD. You need something, he has an answer for it.
Hey, good
James. And it's Butler who grabs the rebound. And scores.
And sometimes less is more. Keeping it simple is the best way.
Here's Simmons with it up top. The lead is 11. Fires the three. That's not his range. It's no good. To Butler. Lets it fly from long range. James with the board. To Thompson. Fires the three. So the first points for him in this first half, and he knocks it down for three.
Yeah, they really need him to get going. Really surprised that none of his teammates have been talking to him. This is when he needs him the most. They have to uplift him, help him continue to be confident on the court.
To Lillard. Going to launch beyond the arc. Not getting the bounce. Has a look. The shot almost.
We call some of these players practice players. You know, the guys that make 5 out of 10 shots in practice, but then all of a sudden they're not gamers because then they're making 1 of 10. That's exactly what you want him to do. You want him to take those kind of shots.
Lillard over to the right side. Thompson. Well defended.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head.
Switch. 5 seconds to shoot. Yes, and a foul. He'll have a chance at a three-point play.
And I know there's so much excitement about the play, but everybody looks at the player. More people need to pay attention to the guy at the end of the bench, the strength and conditioning coach, because this kid's been putting in the time and effort every day in the weight room.
Free throw good. A three-point play as they move in front here just before the break. Oh, errant pass as it's taken away.
You go back to the principles, things that we started working on when we were in 1st and 2nd grade. It's called the shell drill. You stay down in the stance defensively, you try to deny the next pass away, and you have to communicate. If your conditioning is bad, you have no chance. But if you're able to do all these things together collectively, you will be able to stop a great passing team.
Not loose. Out of bounds, last touch by the Heat, so possession will stay right where it is. Pass stolen by Miami.
And that concludes our halftime report. Thanks for joining us. And see you again after the game.
It's James Harden once again.
Stop the ball.
Beyond the arc for three. Won't go down.
Give the defense some credit here. He killed them in the first half, driving and scoring at will. But now, it's lockdown time.
To Waiters. From long range, Waiters forced that one off the mark on the three.
And big-time coaching strategy by the staff right there, utilizing their bench, keeping fresh legs on that shooter consistently throughout the course of the game.
Nice pass to set things up. Oh, not a good pass there. That's a turnover.
Here's your chance to break this thing wide open.
Harden with the basketball. His guys lead here, early stages, third quarter. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Missed it. Butler to bring it up. Down a bundle. Terrific vision. Dion Waiters. Small sample size, but making the most of it. He's 1 for 2. Durant with the basketball up top. Looking to make something happen. Cleans it up. Basket's good on the follow. Way to stay with it. Simply put, when the ball's in Kyrie Irving's hands, magic could happen.
It's poetry in motion, and it's a situation in which the ball is attached to his body. He has it on a yo-yo. He can put the ball and dangle the ball out there for other people to think they have a chance, and in their mind they do, but in Kyrie's mind, the game is over.